Hey guys, my name is Gaurav and I am a recruitment coach. Today I am going to tell you where you are lacking to get a job. So let's start. So first of all guys, you have to understand that to get a job is not a single task. Okay? You have to understand that it involves number of steps and you have to clear all that steps to get your desired job. Now, there is one concept with the name four pillars to get a job, which I am going to tell you now. So here is the image in which you can see there are four pillars to get a job. The first one is education and skills. The second pillar is job search. The third pillar is resume writing. And the fourth pillar is interview preparation. So here you have to understand how much time you have to invest to acquire the education and knowledge, and how much time you have invested in the rest of these three pillars. If you want a job, you have to work on all these factors. Okay, because lots of candidates do one mistake. They invest lot of time and energy to acquire the education and knowledge, but they invest very less time or they underestimate the importance of these three pillars: job search, resume writing, and interview. So you can do your self analysis, and if you are lacking somewhere, so start investing your time, start learning job search, resume writing, and interview preparation. I hope you understood this, and all the best for your career, and thank you for watching.